Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to uncover 10 secrets about one of the most famous buildings in the world, the White House. This iconic residence has been home to every U.S. president since John Adams in 1800. But beyond its historic walls, it holds fascinating mysteries that most people don't know. Let's explore them together. First, the White House was not always called by this name. Originally, it was known as the President's House or the Executive Mansion. It wasn't officially named the White House until 1901, when President Theodore Roosevelt made the change. Second, the White House has a secret underground bunker known as the Presidential Emergency Operations Center. This secure location was built during World War II and is used in times of national crisis. It was famously used during the 9/11 attacks. Third, did you know that there's a hidden tunnel beneath the White House? This tunnel, which leads to a secure location outside the city, was designed as an emergency escape route for the president. Fourth, the White House has its own private movie theater. Presidents and their families can enjoy private screenings of the latest films, and some presidents, like Franklin D. Roosevelt and Ronald Reagan, were known to be big movie fans. Fifth, the White House kitchen is capable of preparing meals for up to 140 guests at a time. It can also serve over 1,000 hors d'oeuvres in a single evening for official state dinners. Sixth, there's a hidden indoor swimming pool beneath the White House press briefing room. The pool was originally built for President Franklin D. Roosevelt, but later it was covered to make space for journalists. Seventh, the White House has a dedicated floor shop inside. This is where arrangements are created for official events, state dinners, and even personal occasions for the first family. Eighth, there are reported ghost sightings in the White House. Many people claim to have seen the ghost of Abraham Lincoln wandering the halls. Even Winston Churchill reportedly saw Lincoln's spirit when staying in the White House. Ninth, the White House has a bowling alley. It was originally built for President Harry Truman, but later Richard Nixon renovated it to enjoy private games with his family and staff. And finally, the White House has a collection of secret doors and passageways. Some rooms have hidden access points, allowing the president to move discreetly from one area to another without being seen by visitors or the press. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know 10 fascinating secrets about the White House that most people have never heard of. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.